Well, here we are now, and we're going to discuss some advanced techniques in the mobile app business that can give you an incredible edge over your competitors in the market. Firstly, ASO stands for App Store Optimization. And in ASO, we've got a lot of tricks. I start off this section with a term I coined called ASO Tricks. Tricks. T stands for title. You want to make sure your app titles have keywords inside of them. R stands for reviews. Having great reviews is very helpful in ranking your apps. I stands for icon. It's the first thing that people see in a search for apps. C stands for customer. Knowing your customer will help you better design your screenshots and icons and your overall app and marketing. K stands for keywords. Having powerful, well-researched keywords can give you an edge in the search rankings. S stands for screenshots and video. Make sure you have incredible screenshots and videos to promote your app. A more in-depth infographic is attached to this lesson. I recommend you go over it and see some of the amazing ASO tricks you can use to gain an added edge over your competition and hence increase your overall app downloads. Go now and download this cool infographic and learn more about ASO tricks, and I'll see you in the next lesson.